And hello there, 30 Minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is the part set 27 for the 30-minute sisters. We have the Minerva costume. Yes, so similar to the Valkyrie costume that was, unboxed earlier. So it's kind of similar wherein, it only has the weapon, the arms, and the legs as part of the costume. And I think also the hair. So yeah, so as you can see in the box art, it depicts that the body is it's kind of transparent or grayed out because it's not included as part of the costume. So you may have to uh sort do some things. And yes, so kind of like the Valkyrie. For me, the Minerva costume is like an upgraded Valkyrie costume, just for me. And then off to the side, here it is. The Minerva costume, of course, it tells you which 13 sister it is, more appropriate for. And here it is. Once it is equipped, and what you can see off to the other side, yes, does complain. It does contain a blank face, so you will have to buy the decals for the eyes and apply them so that you can get this kind of face. And opening up and seeing what's inside the box of the Minerva costume, we have one bag with red and white, another bag with the same colors. Last bag contains some multicolor sprues, some flesh colors, some white, and another multicolor sprue. And lastly, we have here the instruction manual, where as you can see, it will tell you uh, how to assemble it. And the model of choice is the Euphoria. Yeah, Euphoria 13-minute sisters. Yeah. But then you can still use it with other different 13-minute sisters. And here it is again, like I said, it does contain a blank face, and you may need to buy the separate water decals. And here are the steps on how to apply those water decals eyes to the blank face. Okay, so now let's take a look individually at each of the screws. So first up is we have the A1 sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. I think some parts of here are familiar to the Valkyrie costume, I guess. And then we have the A2 here, which consists of pink and white. Accessories is there. We have the B sprue here, which is all white. We also have the C sprue here, which is all white, and the connectors. And then we have the D sprue, which is the flesh tone colors, and here it is, a blank face that you have to apply the water decals for. Then we have the E sprue here, which is all red. Same E sprue, all red here. And then we have the F1 sprue here, which is all white, probably part of the cape. And another F2 sprue here, all white, parts of the cape also. And there you have it, 30 minutes fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the part option set number 27 Minerva costume for the 30-minute sisters. Yes, well, again, similar to the to Valkyrie costume. There's no body parts, but only the arms, hairpiece, and legs, and some weapons, and that's what you got here. And this is Mr. saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leave a like, rewrite a video, sharing, and until next time, see you and thank you.